You are. You are my friend. You are my best friend. You are my brother. You are my sister. You are my neighbor. You are very kind. You are very smart. You are very funny. You are very patient. You are very strong. You are welcome. You are right. You are wrong. You are late. You are early. You are amazing. You are beautiful. You are handsome. You are perfect. You are special. You are tired. You are sick. You are hungry. You are thirsty. You are ready. You are busy. You are free. You are safe. You are lost. You are in danger. You are at home. You are at work. You are at school. You are here. You are there. You are learning English. You are speaking very well. You are improving every day. You are doing a great job. You are making progress. You are my everything. You are my hero. You are my love. You are my world. You are the best. You are not alone. You are not listening. You are not paying attention. You are not making sense. You are not the only one.